Hi, uh, my name is Baljinder Singh. Basically, I am from Punjab, but right now I am choosing to live Solan, Himachal Pradesh. And from last 1 week, I am learning English, and my English tutor is Janab. She is so supportive, and actually, from the very beginning, when I took my first demo class, then I feel so comfortable with her. I share my very personal experiences, and means she is so supportive and so nice, and she listened very carefully, very patiently, everything, and uh, and her ways of teaching is very great and very helpful. Means I can easily understand what she want to say or what she want to teach, and yes, I enjoy great her class, and actually I feel within 1 week I feel so confident about English. Whatsoever comes in my mind, yes, I can share uh, in form of talk or in form of writing. I can talk in English or I can write in English. So yes, within 1 week, for me it's a great achievement, and I am enjoying her class, Janam. She's so nice, and thank you so much. I am so grateful because I am learning from her. So I will keep continue until I achieve my goal of English, or very means hold on English. Thank you so much.